Manas. Hi Prajwal. How are you both? Hi Raj Lakshmi. कैसे हो? So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Choudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted and A for ambitious. I am all good Prajwal, hope you are also doing well. Good evening Shagun. Hi Manas, I am all good. Hi Amrita, how are you? All good Prajwal. So if you guys are new to my channel or if you're watching me for the first time, let me first introduce myself to all of you. So, hi, my name is MLA Sheetal Choudhary and my qualifications are I am a CA aspirant. I have qualified CA Foundation and CA Intermediate both in first attempt. Also, I have completed my graduation, my BCom Honours from University of Delhi. And I have also completed my post-graduation, my Masters with a degree in MCom. And in my free time, I love cooking and I love singing. My favorite topic is past adjustments. Okay, so we are going to do the favorite topic of Amrita today. My day was super good. So how's the weather at your place guys? Because at my place it's so good. It's raining. इतनी ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. आपके वहाँ पे मौसम कैसा है? आज हमारे यहाँ बारिश हुई. सेम पिंच प्रज्वल, यहाँ पर भी बारिश हुई थी. धूप निकली नहीं आज. Cool. It's raining outside at your place also Manas. Great. तो आज मौसम अच्छा है तो हम लोग ज़्यादा पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं. गर्मी नहीं है क्योंकि. Okay. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, and yes, do like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and do share it as much as you can because I need your support so much at this time. So it will be a huge favor for me if you will share it with your friends. तो आपके स्कूल फ्रेंड्स होंगे, ट्यूशन फ्रेंड्स होंगे, सबके साथ वीडियो शेयर करो. गांव में नॉर्मल है, ना ज़्यादा गर्मी ना ज़्यादा ठंडी. ओके. आगरा साइड मेरे ख्याल से बारिश नहीं हुई इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम आगरा और यूपी. रेन ऑफ वॉइस इज overpowering. Okay. So I have also made a Telegram channel for you guys where I am sharing all the notes after 10 minutes of session. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel yet, then please do check out the description box right now and do join the Telegram channel so that you get all the notes on time for your revision. Today you had fish pakoda. I will have Maggi today. I was making it before your session and I had chole bhature. Do you remember last year we used to say गर्मी हो रही है? Yes, I do remember. तो as you all know, जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, this is class 12 accountancy session and the chapter is same chapter, accounting for partnership firm fundamentals. अब last class में हमने क्या किया था? Average period method, interest on drawing. And in this session, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is past adjustments. So this is the topic for today's section, as you all have read by the title as well. And before starting with today's section, as usual, we will be first discussing the homework. तो पहले हम लोग होमवर्क डिस्कस करेंगे जो मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में दिया था और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने वो सॉल्व कर लिया है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द होमवर्क नाउ. हाय तनिषा, आई एम ऑल गुड. होप यू आर ऑल्सो डूइंग वेल. आज तो पार्टी हो रही है. यस. So this is the homework that I have given you. This is from average period method, what we have discussed in the previous class. अब यहाँ पर पहले let me check the answers. Who all have answered it? So well done, Prajwal. You have answered it. Well done, Raj Lakshmi. Well done, Manas. Well done, Anurag. Well done, Akash. So these 5 students have answered the question, and congratulations to all these 5 students. शाबाश मेरे बच्चों, आप सबने सही जवाब दिया था. So in this method we will again use the same formula, that was total drawings multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by average period divided by 12. So the first case that we have is, if he withdrew rupees 5,000 in the beginning of each quarter, he is withdrawing 5,000 every quarter. So total drawings will be 5,000 multiplied by 4, 20,000. These are your total drawings. Now you will multiply it with rate upon 100, and the rate is 8% per annum. So 8 upon 100, and as it is in the beginning of each quarter, the average period is 7.5. So this is the first part. 20,000 multiplied by 8% multiplied by 7.5 divided by 12. When you will solve it, your answer will be 1,000. It's okay, Sania, you are not that late. So this is our first part, and the answer of first part was 1,000. Hi Shubham. Coming on to the second part. In the second part, he withdrew rupees 6,000 at the end of each quarter. Now he is withdrawing 6,000 every quarter. So 6,000 multiplied by 4, the total drawings will be 24,000. The total drawings will be 24,000. Multiplied by rate upon 100, 8 upon 100. Multiplied by average period, and average period will be now 4.5. When drawings are made at the end of quarter, the average period is 4.5. So 24,000 multiplied by 8 upon 100 multiplied by 4.5 upon 12. Your interest on drawing is 720 in the second case. Now moving on to the last case. चलते हैं हमारे last case पे. The last case that we have is, if he withdrew rupees 10,000 during the middle of each quarter. So the total drawings will be 10,000 multiplied by 4, 40,000. Multiplied by rate upon 100, 8 upon 100. And average period will be 6. When the drawings are made during the middle, the average period is 6. So now you will solve it and your answer is 1600. So this is the third case and this was your homework, guys. Answer of first part 1000 rupees. Answer of second part was, कितना था second part का आंसर? 720 and third part answer is 1600. So is this clear to everyone? सबसे ये क्वेश्चन हो गया, किसी को इसमें डाउट? आप पकोड़े खा रहे हो, अगर आप पास होते तो मैं जरूर खाती, लेकिन आप बहुत दूर हो. हाय जसलीन, हाउ आर यू? शुभम, आपके यहाँ भी बारिश हुई? आज सब जगह बारिश हुई है ऑलमोस्ट. नो डाउट प्रज्वल, नो डाउट तनीषा, क्लियर गीत. Okay guys, so let's now jump on to our today's session. देखते हैं आज क्या करेंगे. So what we are going to have today, first we will be understanding the meaning of past adjustment, कि इसका मतलब क्या है, and then we'll jump on to the practical questions. And today we will be solving 3 practical question of past adjustment, जिसके बाद आपका टॉपिक बिल्कुल चकाचक क्लियर हो जाएगा. So, are you guys ready for past adjustments? Yes, जसलीन, आप बहुत दिनों बाद आए हो. मैं एकदम बढ़िया. आप बताओ, आप कैसे हो? बारिश में खेलना पसंद है? Yes. जब बारिश काफी तेज होता. Ready? Okay, so let's start with the topic now. And first, let's have the meaning. क्या मतलब है past adjustment का? आइए समझते हैं. Now please pay attention, girls and boys. This is your current financial year. आपका जो financial year है, this is 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2021. अब क्या हुआ? On 31st March 2021, your books will be closed. At end of every financial year, our books are closed. So 31st March 2021 को आपकी books close हो गई. You have closed your books, you have calculated the net profit, the gross profit, you have made the balance sheet. आपने balance sheet बना ली. अब balance sheet बनाने के बाद आपको याद आया, you found that either there are some errors, आपको पता लगा कि यहाँ पर कुछ गलती है, या तो आपको कुछ गलती पता लगी, या फिर there are some omissions, या आप किसी चीज को रिकॉर्ड करना भूल गए. So at the end of the year, it may happen that after closing the books of account, you found some errors, you found some omissions. अब क्या होगा? अब आप इनको पीछे जाके एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते, because the books are already closed. So what you will do is, now you will make adjustment for them in the next year, in the beginning of next year. अब आप next year के starting में इन चीजों की एडजस्टमेंट करोगे, और उसी को क्या कहते हैं? पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट. मीन्स वी आर मेकिंग द एडजस्टमेंट फॉर द पास्ट एंट्रीज. आप पिछले टाइम में, आप पास्ट में कुछ करना भूल गए, एंड नाउ यू आर मेकिंग एडजस्टमेंट फॉर दोज आइटम्स. एंड हाउ यू विल मेक द एडजस्टमेंट, कैसे करेंगे? सो वी विल पास अ सिंगल एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. हमें क्या पास करनी पड़ेगी, एक सिंगल एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री पास करनी पड़ेगी टू मेक दिस एडजस्टमेंट. Yes, it's like rectification, but the process is different here. So here we have the meaning of past adjustment, guys. Now please pay attention and let's read it. Sometimes after the books of accounts have been closed, after the financial year, it is discovered that there have been some errors or omissions. जब बुक्स क्लोज हो गई उसके बाद आपको पता लगा कि अरे हमसे यहाँ पे गलती हो गई, यहाँ पर ये चीज छूट गई. नाउ इन सच केसेस इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑल्टरिंग द ओल्ड अकाउंट, अब पुराने अकाउंट्स में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते. So instead of altering the old account and the balance sheet, an adjustment entry is made at the beginning of next year. नेक्स्ट ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में हम एक एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री पास कर देंगे जिससे हमारी ये गलतियां सुधर जाएंगी. अब कौन कौन सी गलतियां आप कर सकते हो, हम किन गलतियों की बात कर रहे हैं. So some of the adjustments are as follows. First, when interest on capital or interest on drawing have been omitted, आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गए या फिर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग लेना भूल गए. So interest on drawing or interest on capital are omitted. Second, profits and losses have been distributed among the partners in wrong proportion. जो आपके प्रॉफिट्स थे they have to be distributed equally. प्रॉफिट्स इक्वली बटने चाहिए थे बट यू हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इट इन 2:1:1. आपने प्रॉफिट्स को गलत रेशो में बांट दिया. दिस इज अगेन एन एरर. एंड थर्ड इज व्हेन salary or commission payable to a person, to a partner has been omitted. आप पार्टनर को सैलरी देना भूल गए, आप पार्टनर को कमीशन देना भूल गए. तो ये सारी गलतियां बहुत कॉमन है और हम इन्हीं को सुधारेंगे. We will learn how to improve if these mistakes have been made in the past. Hi Nihal, how are you? So are you ready to learn कि हम कैसे अपनी गलती सुधारें? बट आपने क्लास 11th में हमने कुछ गोल्डन रूल्स करे थे. जर्नल एंट्री के कुछ गोल्डन रूल्स थे. इंक्रीज इन एसेट डेबिट, डिक्रीज इन एसेट क्रेडिट. सिमिलरली देयर इज अ गोल्डन रूल फॉर पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट. जब भी आप पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे आपको एक रूल अपने दिमाग में हमेशा रखना है. नाउ व्हाट इज दैट रूल मैम? कौन सा रूल है? सो द रूल इज one person expenditure is another person income. अगर एक बंदा खर्चा करेगा तो वो जाके किसी की इनकम बनेगा. अब आप क्या कह रहे हो मैम, हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आया. So when I was explaining you interest on capital, I told you that interest on capital is paid by firm. It is expenditure of firm and it is received by partner. It is income of partner. So एक का खर्चा है और दूसरे की इनकम है. फर्म के लिए वो क्या है? एक्सपेंस. और पार्टनर के लिए वो क्या है? इनकम है. Similarly, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is paid by partners. So it is an expense for the partner. Partner के लिए वो क्या होगा? खर्चा होगा and it will be received by firm. So for firm it will be income. So this is the golden rule जो आपको याद रखना है कि अगर फर्म का खर्चा है तो वो पार्टनर की इनकम होगी और अगर फर्म की इनकम है तो वो पार्टनर का खर्चा होगा. ये रूल समझ आया सबको? राजलक्ष्मी, गीत, शुभम. अब हाउ टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. यहाँ पर कोई पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट. द ओनली वे थ्रू विच यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट इज बाय सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस. सो नाउ वी विल डायरेक्टली प्रोसीड टू क्वेश्चन गाइज, ताकि हमें ये समझ आ जाए. प्रज्वल, यहाँ पे सिर्फ मैंने इतना समझाया कि अगर मेरा खर्चा है तो वो पार्टनर की इनकम होगी. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज पेड बाय फर्म टू द पार्टनर. सो फॉर मी इट इज एक्सपेंस, but for partner it is income. So one person expenditure is the income of another person. एक का खर्चा दूसरे की इनकम होती है. So let's now proceed to practical question guys, and here we have your first question. Now I'm giving you 2 minutes. First read it very carefully. मेक इंटरप्रिटेशन की क्वेश्चन क्या बोलने वाला है, क्या बोलना चाह रहा है, एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. बट फर्स्ट रीड इट योरसेल्फ. ये जिसमें एक से ज्यादा एंट्री पास होती है बेटा, वो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. आपकी बुक्स में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं दे आर आस्किंग फॉर सिंगल एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. तो आपको क्वेश्चन से कैसे पता लगेगा कि ये पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट का क्वेश्चन है. पहली लाइन क्या है? आफ्टर द अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप हैव बीन ड्रॉन अप. बुक्स जो है वो क्लोज हो चुकी है, बुक्स जो है वो बन चुकी है. द बुक्स क्लोज्ड ऑफ. इट इज डिस्कवर्ड दैट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एट 8% as provided in the partnership deed has been omitted. तो आपको बुक्स क्लोज होने के बाद पता लगा कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दैट वाज 8% is omitted. So this is what? This is past adjustment. Now the capital of the partners at the beginning of the year, the opening capitals are given 8 lakh, 4 lakh and 3 lakh. The profit sharing ratio was 2:1:1. This is profit sharing ratio. Okay Geet, we'll discuss that also, but in the next class. We have one more session for past adjustment. So instead of altering the balance sheet, it is decided to pass necessary adjusting entry at the beginning of next year. So what you have to do is, you are required to pass adjustment entry. You have to adjust this. Now how we will pass the adjustment entry? So you have to make a table showing adjustment. The name is table showing adjustment. Okay, I have to be invisible. Name of partners A, B, C. A, B and C. So first you will leave some space for particulars. थोड़ी स्पेस छोड़नी है particulars के लिए. Then you will make column as per your partner. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is total. Now question में क्या बोला है? In question it is said that it is discovered that interest on capital at 8% has been omitted. आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल भूल गए, तो आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गए, आपसे गलती हुई. ये टेबल कंपल्सरी है, बिल्कुल कंपल्सरी है. यस, इट्स कंपल्सरी टू शो दिस टेबल इन योर एग्जाम. अब मैं इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गई. दिस इज माई मिस्टेक. हाउ आई विल इम्प्रूव इट? मैं कैसे अपनी गलती सुधारूंगी? तो अगर मैं देना भूल गई इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सो नाउ आई विल पे इट. अगर मैं इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पहले देना भूल गई तो मैं अब पे कर दूंगी. आई विल पे इट नाउ. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज 8% per annum. 8% of 8 lakh will be 64,000. 8% of 4 lakh will be 32,000. 8% of 3 lakh will be 32,000. अब मुझे ये बताओ, इफ यू आर पेइंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, अगर आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करोगे तो पार्टनर की कैपिटल पे क्या फर्क होगा, क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा? दीज आर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. A's capital, B's capital account, C's capital account. You will debit their capital or you will credit their capital. So interest on capital that was earlier omitted, now we are giving it to the partners, and we know that partners capital will increase, and increase in capital is credited. Increase in capital is credited. So we will credit the partners because we are giving them something. So interest on capital is 64,000, 32,000 and 24,000. We have credited partners because their capitals are increasing. Now the total interest on capital that is given to the partners A, B, C is 1,20,000. The total interest on capital is 1,20,000. मैंने आपको एक रूल बताया था बच्चों, इफ यू रिमेम्बर दैट रूल. इनकम ऑफ वन इज द एक्सपेंस ऑफ अनदर. Partners are receiving this 1,20,000. It is income for the partner, but at the same time it is expense. It is a loss for the firm. तो firm का क्या हुआ बच्चों? नुकसान हुआ. Firm is paying this 1,20,000, which is a loss to the firm, and this loss will be again distributed between the partners. So now we will do distribution of loss. अब क्या करोगे? Loss को बांट दोगे partners में, and since the ratio is given, loss will be distributed in the same ratio. 2:1:1. So distribution of loss in the ratio 2:1:1. Now you will take it from the partner. It is a loss. We will take it from the partner. Partner's capital will decrease, and hence we will debit the partners now. So distribute 1,20,000 is 2 into 1:1. It will be 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. तो पहले हमने क्या किया, सबसे पहले वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, वी हैव गिवन द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू द पार्टनर्स. पहले हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिया ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव कैपिटल. नाउ द टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दैट वाज गिवन टू द पार्टनर इज एक्चुअली अ लॉस टू द फर्म. इट इज एन एक्सपेंस टू द फर्म. So now you will distribute the loss in the profit sharing ratio. So 2:1:1 is the ratio. We have now distributed the loss. So partners are now debited. अब पार्टनर को क्या कर दिया आपने, डेबिट कर दिया. अब क्या करना है मैम, what we have to do now? So now you will calculate the difference between debit and credit. Credit 64,000, debit 60,000. 64 minus 60, it will be 4,000. And which one is the higher side? Credit. So it will have credit balance. कौन सी साइड ज्यादा है बच्चों, क्रेडिट. तो क्रेडिट बैलेंस होगा 32,000 minus 30,000, 32 minus 32,000. कौन सी साइड ज्यादा है, अगेन क्रेडिट साइड इज मोर. सो इट विल हैव क्रेडिट बैलेंस. It will have credit balance. Then 24 minus 30. 24 minus 30, the difference is 6,000. And which side is more? The debit side is more. So it will have debit balance. 24 minus 30, the difference is 6,000. And which side was more? The debit side. Karthik, yes, the firm must pay the interest, but after paying the interest, the firm will have a loss, na? The firm will have a loss, and who will bear this loss? कौन भरेगा loss को? The partners will bear this loss, ना? No one else can bear the loss. जो भी profit या loss होता है वो partners के बीच में ही बढ़ता है. Because firm is an artificial person. Firm can't bear this loss. The partners will bear it. So this is the table that you have to prepare in each question of past adjustment. हमें हर question में ये table बनानी है. Now, what will be the journal entry? What is the adjustment entry? So it's very simple. After this table, C is debited. So C's capital account debit to A's capital account 4,000 to B's capital account for 2,000. C is debited and A and B are credited. So here we have the journal entry. C's capital account debit 6,000 to A's capital account 4,000 to B's capital account 2,000. So this is past adjustment. So tell me, is it clear to everyone? What if errors were not made and the partners were getting more interest? So we will do that type of question also in tomorrow's session. The question will be like, the interest on capital is to be allowed at 8%, but you have allowed it at 10% by mistake. So it may happen that by mistake more interest has been allowed, or by mistake less interest on capital has been allowed. So we will do these types of question in tomorrow's session. Tanisha, टेबल में बेटा कुछ नहीं है. द फॉर्मेट इज सो इजी. वी हैव मेड वन कॉलम फॉर पर्टिकुलर्स. एक कॉलम पर्टिकुलर्स के लिए बनाया ताकि आप यहाँ पे लिख सको ये सब. वन कॉलम, देन वन कॉलम फॉर ईच पार्टनर. ए बी सी 3 पार्टनर्स थे, एंड देन द टोटल विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द टोटल कॉलम. We have just done the total of all these interest and we have recorded it in the total. And this is the total loss. So this is now divided in the ratio 2:1:1, and then we have written it here. Okay, so this was a very basic question guys. ये सबसे easy question था of this topic, past adjustment. अब जो हम next question करने वाले, the next question is a very good question. अगर आपको वो question समझ आ गया ना, trust me, you can do any question of this topic. तो जो next question है वो थोड़ा tricky है. That's why I am giving you a warning in advance. Please pay your 100% attention in the next question. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगले सवाल में ऐसा क्या है? तो ये है आपका अगला क्वेश्चन. अब पिछले क्वेश्चन में आपने ध्यान दिया होगा कि प्रॉफिट्स गिवन नहीं थे. हमें सिर्फ इतना बोला था कि हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गए. That was the only thing that was mentioned in the previous question. There was nothing mentioned about profits. But in this, profits are also given. That will make a huge difference. So the question is, A, B, C and D. There are 4 partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1:1. They distributed the profit for the year ending 31st March 9 lakh rupees without providing for the following. उन्होंने क्या किया बच्चों? जो 9 लाख के प्रॉफिट्स थे. नाउ आई विल गिव यू प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर कि क्या हुआ इस क्वेश्चन में. तो ये आपका P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट है. आपके प्रॉफिट्स थे 9 लाख. The profits were 9 lakh and they were distributed without providing for the following. आपने 9 lakh profit as it is बांट लिए. Profits were transferred to A, B, C, D as it is without providing salary to A and without providing salary to B and D. हमें सैलरी देनी थी लेकिन हमने सैलरी नहीं दी और प्रॉफिट्स को एज इट इज बांट लिया. जबकि होना क्या चाहिए था? What should happen is, you will record profits 9 lakh. You will record salary of A, B and D. Then you will calculate the divisible profit and this profit has to be distributed. तो पार्टनर्स में जो प्रॉफिट बटना है, दिस इज द प्रॉफिट दैट शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिकॉज डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट्स ही बटता है. बट आपने क्या गलती करी? यू हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द एंटायर प्रॉफिट एज इट इज विदाउट प्रोवाइडिंग एनी सैलरी टू एनी पार्टनर. सो दिस इज अ ह्यूज मिस्टेक. आपने बहुत बड़ी गलती करी है. अब हाउ टू इम्प्रूव दिस? कैसे सुधारे मैम इस गलती को? हाउ टू करेक्ट इट? So we will be making table showing adjustment for this question now. Hi Harbala, yes of course I do remember you. So question समझ आया सबको? Is the question clear to everyone कि क्या कहा है question में? good, Herbalav. Hope you are also doing well. So, now I want everyone to be very attentive. Again, we are making table showing adjustment. So first we will make particulars, then A, B, C, D, and then we'll have the total column. Now salary is omitted, salary earlier omitted. Now you will allow that salary. हम salary देना भूल गए तो अब हम salary दे देंगे. Just a minute. I'll leave some space and then I'll write salary earlier omitted. अब हम salary किस किस को देना भूले. Salary to A was omitted. 15,000 per month means 1,80,000. 15,000 multiplied by 12. So salary of A is 1,80,000. Salary to B and D 30,000 per quarter to each partner. To B 30,000 per quarter, 30,000 multiplied by 4, 1,20,000, and 30,000 to D 1,20,000. So this is the salary that we have omitted. So now you will give it to the partners. अब पहले भूल गए कोई बात नहीं, अब दे दो partners को salary. So अब हम partner को salary देंगे and when you will give salary, their capital will increase. Hence their capital will be credited. We will credit the partners. So salary of A 1,80,000, salary of B 1,20,000. There is no salary of C and salary of D 1,20,000. So this is the salary to A, B and D. The total salary will be 2,40,000 plus 1,80,000. 1 minute. 420, I guess. Yes. The total salary that is paid to partner is 420. ये तो सबको समझ आया होगा. हमने सबको सैलरी दे दी जो हम देना भूल गए थे. अब the profits are given in the question and the profits are 9 lakh. The total profits are 9 lakh, out of which you have paid salary 4,20,000. हमारे प्रॉफिट्स थे 9 लाख जिसमें से हमने सैलरी दे दी 4,20,000. What is the divisible profit now? कितना प्रॉफिट्स बचे हैं? The remaining profits are 4,80,000. This is what? This is the remaining profit, guys. This is the divisible profit. And this will be distributed again between A, B, C, D in the ratio 2:2:1:1. So पहले हमने salary दी. You can see first we have given salary 4,20,000 and then we have calculated the divisible profits. So 9 lakh minus 4,20,000. The divisible profit is 4,80,000. And this we will distribute in 2:2:1:1. So it will be 1,60,000, 1,60,000, 80,000 and 80,000. And now you will record this divisible profit. 1,60,000, 1,60,000, 80,000, 80,000. So we have distributed 4,80,000. तो हमें ए को सैलरी देनी है 420, वी हैव टू गिव सैलरी 180 टू ए and profit 160. So total amount that is payable to A is 3,40,000. ये टोटल अमाउंट है जो हमें A को देनी है. देन टोटल B को कितना देना है हमें? 2,80,000. दिस इज द टोटल अमाउंट पेबल टू B. टोटल अमाउंट C को कितनी देनी है? 80,000. नो सैलरी टू C, ओनली द प्रॉफिट्स. टोटल अमाउंट टू D 2 लाख. तो आपके जो प्रॉफिट्स थे ना बेटा 9 लाख रुपीज, द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ 9 लाख शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एज फॉलोज. वो 9 लाख पार्टनर्स में ऐसे बंटना है. Out of 9 lakh, 340 to A, 280 to B, 80 to C and 2 lakh to D. अब यहाँ तक दोबारा देखते हैं, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, आराम से समझेंगे सब कुछ. So let's see it again. मैम ने क्या बोला, दोबारा देखते हैं. So first of all, we have given salary to the partner which was earlier omitted. 180 to A 15,000 per month, 120 to B 30,000 per quarter and 120 to D same 30,000 per quarter. Now the total salary that is allowed to partner is 4,20,000. हमने total salary इतनी दी. Now after giving this salary you will calculate the divisible profit. So from the total profits 9 lakh, we have subtracted the total salary 4,20,000. So divisible profits are 4,80,000. And now you will distribute it in the profit sharing ratio. So divisible profits 4,80,000 are divided in the profit sharing ratio 2:2:1:1. That is 1,60,000, 1,60,000, 80,000 and 80,000. तो हमने सैलरी दे दी और प्रॉफिट्स दे दिए. नाउ यू विल डू द टोटल ऑफ ईच पार्टनर टू सी हाउ मच दे आर गेटिंग इन टोटल. अब हमें देखना है कि हर पार्टनर को कितना मिल रहा है. तो ए को मिल रहा है टोटल 340, बी को मिल रहा है टोटल 280, सी को मिल रहा है 80, डी को मिल रहा है 2 लाख. सो ऐसे ये 9 लाख रुपीस बटने चाहिए थे. बट आपने क्या किया? You have distributed 9 lakh as it is. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला था? They have distributed the profit 9 lakh without providing for the following. आपने 9 लाख as it is बांट दिया, तो अब आप क्या करोगे? You will take it back, क्योंकि आप ऐसे बांट रहे हो ना प्रॉफिट्स को. This is how they should be distributed. So what you have given them earlier, now you will take it back. अब उसको वापस ले लेंगे. So we will take this 9 lakh back. So we will debit the partners. And this 9 lakh was distributed in the same ratio 2:2:1:1. So 9 lakh multiplied by 2 by 6, 3 lakh, 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. So this is how we have distributed it earlier and now we are taking it back. So wrong distribution of profits. तो अब क्या करेंगे मैम? हमने ये भी वापस ले लिया, तो अब आपको क्या करना है, नाउ यू हैव टू जस्ट कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंस. Credit is 3,40,000, debit is 3 lakh. So 340 minus 3,40,000, and which side is more? The credit side. Now 280 credit, 3 lakh debit. So 280 minus 3 lakh, the difference is 20,000, and which side is more? The debit side. 80,000 credit, 150 debit. The difference is 70,000. And which side is more? The debit side. 2 lakh credit, 150 debit. The 2 lakh minus 150, the difference is 50,000. And which side is more? The credit side. So this is the table showing adjustment. Now we will pass the journal entry. कौन कौन डेबिट हुआ है? B and C are debited, A and D are credited. So the journal entry will be B's capital account debit 20,000, C's capital account debit 70,000, to A's capital account 40,000, to D's capital account 50,000. So this is the journal entry. And well done, Manas and Shubham. Congratulations to both of you. So tell me, is this question clear to everyone? Okay, Manas, no problem. Hi, Senorita. Okay, you are having the pro wala class or what? What if the profits were not given? Then you will do it like we have done in the previous question. We have given salary. This is an expense. This is a loss to the firm. Now this loss will be distributed. You will debit it between partners, same as previous question. In previous question it was interest on capital. In this question it is salary. Okay, Geet. Okay, Geet and Manas. You can see the recorded session later on. उसको कैसे किया? एक मिनट. The ratio was, sorry, Tanisha, the ratio was 2:2:1:1. So 2 by 4, sorry, 2 by 6. The total is 6 na. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So 2 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. You will multiply it with 9 lakh. Okay, Tanisha? So this was a third question. Now we have one more question. So let's have a next question, guys. चलिए आपका अगला क्वेश्चन करते हैं. This one is an easy equation. अब वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो easy है. So here you have the third question. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है, but that is easy. आराम से समझ आ जाएगा. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:2:3. तीन पार्टनर्स हैं जिनकी रेशो क्या है, 1:2:3. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. They have omitted interest on capital at 8%. अब यहाँ पर वो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गए, एंड द ट्विस्ट इज they have omitted interest on capital for 2 years. वो 2 साल का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गए. जो हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया था, इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो दे हैव omitted interest on capital, बट दैट वॉज अ 1 year ओनली. वहाँ पर वो सिर्फ 1 साल का इंटरेस्ट भूले थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर दे हैव omitted interest of 2 years. Their fixed capitals were rupees 4 lakh, rupees 6 lakh, rupees 8 lakh respectively. These are their capitals. Now you have to pass the necessary adjustment entry. हमें क्या पास करना है, adjustment entry पास करनी है. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि ये वाला क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा. यहाँ पर हम 2 साल का इंटरेस्ट देना भूले हैं और प्रॉफिट्स गिवन नहीं है. एज यू कैन सी, प्रॉफिट्स आर नॉट गिवन इन द इक्वेशन. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट नाउ. Table showing adjustment. Particulars. A, okay, just particulars A, B, C and total. So interest on capital is 8% per annum. So 8% of 4 lakh 32,000, 8% of 6 lakh 48,000, 8% of 8 lakh 64,000. This is interest on capital. Now you have omitted it for 2 years, ended 31st March 2016. Means you have omitted interest on capital of 31st March 2015 and 31st March 2016. आप इन 2 सालों का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना भूल गए. अगर हम भूल गए कोई बात नहीं, अब दे देंगे मैम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. वी विल गिव इट नाउ. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अर्लियर omitted फर्स्ट ईयर एंड सेकेंड ईयर. हम दोनों सालों का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दे देंगे. वी विल गिव इट ऑफ both the years now. And when you will give interest on capital, जब आप interest on capital दोगे, their capitals will increase and hence you will credit the partners. So first year 32,000, 48,000, 64,000. The total interest on capital that we have given is 1,44,000. Same we will give in the second year. Second year में capital same है. So second year also you will give the same interest, 32,000, 48,000, 64,000. The total interest on capital is 1,44,000. So we omitted interest on capital of 2 years and now we have given the same for 2 years. So the total amount that is payable to A is 64,000. Total amount payable to B is 96,000 and total amount payable to C is 1,28,000. And the total loss to the firm will be 2,88,000. फर्म को कितना लॉस होगा? टोटल 2,88,000. 144 in the first year, 144 in the second year. तो टोटल दोनों ईयर्स में फर्म को कितना लॉस हुआ है? 2,88,000. अब इस लॉस को कौन बियर करेगा? हु विल बियर दिस? कौन करेगा इसकी भरपाई? पार्टनर्स विल बियर द सेम. So now you will distribute this 2,88,000, which is a loss to the firm. It will be distributed between the partners in the ratio 1:2:3. ये हम पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. It will be 48,000, 96,000 and 1,44,000. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया? हम 2 साल का we have forgotten, we have omitted to pay interest of 2 years. So you have paid it for 2 years, first year and second year. Then you have calculated the total amount payable to A, B and C. And you have calculated the total loss of the firm. So in first year we had paid 1,44,000 total. In second year we have again paid 1,44,000. So the total loss of the firm is 2,88,000. And this loss will be eventually distributed between the partners. So now we have done the distribution of loss in the profit sharing ratio, that is 1:2:3. So this is the amount, and now you will debit the partners. At the time of distribution of loss, partners will be debited because their capitals will decrease. जब आप लॉस बांटोगे उनकी कैपिटल क्या होगी? कम होगी. So this is your table showing adjustment. Now we have to only find out the difference between debit and credit. So 64,000 minus 48,000. It will be 16,000, and the credit side is more, so it will have credit balance. Then 96, the balance is nil, 0. And 128 minus 144, the difference is 16,000, and the debit side is more, so it will have debit balance. So C is having debit balance, A is having credit balance. अब बच्चे क्या करेंगे? बच्चे जोनल एंट्री पास करेंगे. C's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 16,000 to A's capital account 16,000, और यहाँ पर आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे 0. You will get 0 marks. क्यों मैम? सब कुछ तो सही किया है, क्यों 0 मार्क्स मिलेंगे? बिकॉज आपने क्वेश्चन ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ा. इन द क्वेश्चन दे हैव स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन दैट देयर फिक्स्ड capitals are 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh. The capitals are fixed. So when the capitals are fixed, everything is recorded in the current account. So while passing the journal entry, you will write down current account, not capital account. आपको एंट्री पास करते टाइम करंट अकाउंट लिखना है, क्योंकि कैपिटल्स क्या है? फिक्स्ड है. So this is the answer. C's current account debit to A's current account 16,000, 16,000. So tell me, is this question clear to everyone? सबको समझ आया? Tanisha, Shubham, is it clear? Yes, Raj Lakshmi. Shreya Prajwal. What if the amount, it will not happen. There will be dual entry system, Karthik. The debit will be always equal to credit. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि debit और credit अलग होंगी. It cannot happen. It will be always equal. If there are two partners, it will be always equal. If there are three partners, total of 2 will be equal to 1. So debit will be always equal to credit. So guys, that's it for today. We have completed this past adjustment concepts. But the topic is yet not over, because in your book we have some different types of questions. There are some advanced type of questions. So we will be having one more session for past adjustment, in which we will be only discussing the important advanced question. Now it's time for homework. So let's have your homework now, and here we have your homework. So let's see how many of you are able to solve this. And you have to pass the adjustment entry in this question as well. So do let me know your answer in the comments box. Let's see who answers it correct. So you have to prepare the same adjustment table over here. You have to use the same concept. बस यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल की जगह इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग है. So that's all for today, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. So if you really enjoyed this session, if you really understood the topic, then please do like it and do share it with your friends, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And yes, if you have not joined the Telegram channel as well, then the description box में link given है. The link is given in the description box. So do check out the description box and do join the Telegram channel now, so that you can get all the notes on time. Now in the next class, as I have already told you, we will be having past adjustment practical questions. So we'll see you all tomorrow now at 8 p.m. And thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching this session, for giving me your valuable time. Now we'll see you all tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, good night, have sweet dreams everyone.